as I started getting into different podcasts and listening to different recordings on YouTube, specifically ones that I had listened to on this channel, I started thinking otherwise because I was listening to one that you had posted a while back about, I think it was howls that were recorded back in the mid 90s down in land between the lakes down in Tennessee. They sounded very similar to the ones that I was hearing. And that's when I submitted my recordings to you to get your take on them.